Hello all, welcome to this course on AI for Business from Simplilearn. In this course, we will break down how AI is transforming industries from optimizing operations to enhancing customer experience. You'll learn about the core AI use cases and how to implement AI effectively while navigating challenges like ethics and integration. So whether you're an entrepreneur, this will equip you with the knowledge to harness AI potential for business success. So let's start with what is AI. Suppose imagine you're running a small travel agency. Every day you take customer inquiries, recommend destinations, and book trips. And over time, you notice some trends, like families prefer beach vacations, business travelers look for quick bookings, and adventure seekers love mountain trips. Now, what if a computer could learn these patterns automatically, predict customer preferences, and even suggest travel packages without you manually analyzing every detail? So that's artificial intelligence in action. So basically, AI is a branch of computer science that allows machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make smart decisions. So just like a human would, but much faster and with greater accuracy. So instead of following fixed instructions, AI adapts based on the information it processes. So how does AI work? So AI at its core works in three main steps. Number one is collecting data. So AI gathers information from sources like customer inquiries, past bookings, and travel trends. And the next step is learning from these data. So it analyzes which trips are more popular for different customer types, etc. And then the next step is making smart decisions. So AI uses this knowledge to automate recommendations and offer personalized travel deals. So let's see a few examples. So have you ever noticed how Google Flights suggests the best time to book a ticket at a lower price? That's AI analyzing past price trends and predicting the best deals. And then similarly, sites like booking.com shows in high demand booked 60 times in last 24 hours. So here AI is influencing decisions by providing the real-time data. So this ability to process information quickly and make predictions is why AI is so powerful for businesses. So let's see why AI is important for business these days. So every business collects huge amounts of data, customer preferences, sales history, website traffic, and more. But raw data is useless unless you can analyze and act on it. And that's where AI comes in. AI helps businesses turn this data into valuable insights, predicting customer behavior, automating routine tasks, and even making intelligent business decisions. So, for example, the first one is faster decision making. So, AI analyzes data within seconds, helping businesses respond quickly. The second one, cost saving. So, AI automates repetitive tasks, reducing manual effort and operational costs. And then it gives better customer experience. So, AI enables personalized services, making customers feel valued. And it also has a competitive advantage. Like businesses that use AI can outperform those that don't by making smarter moves. So now let's see some of the examples of AI in action. Let's see some of the real world examples of how AI is transforming industries. The first one is Amazon, which comes under e-commerce and retail. So AI recommends products based on what you have searched or bought before. So AI powered logistics predict demand and optimize inventory for faster deliveries. Next, we have Netflix, which comes under entertainment and media category. So Netflix AI suggests shows based on your viewing habits. So the AI also adjusts video quality based on your internet speed to prevent buffering. And then you have the example of Tesla, which comes under automotive and AI. So AI powered is basically the AI powered self-driving technology, which helps Tesla cars navigate roads, detect obstacles, and even predict accidents. And then you have the famous ChatGPT or AI chatbots, which is mainly used for customer service. So businesses use AI chatbots to provide instant responses, reducing the need for human agents. Also, AI-powered customer support can handle thousands of queries simultaneously. So as you can see, these are just a few ways AI is helping businesses save time, increase efficiency, and boost profits. There are many more such instances. So now let's move on to see how businesses are using AI today in different industries. So AI isn't just for tech giants, even small and medium businesses are using AI tools to automate tasks, improve sales, and enhance customer experience. So the first one is marketing and sales. So AI can analyze customer behavior and suggest personalized ads. So for example, email marketing platforms like HubSpot and MailChimp use AI to send emails at the perfect time for higher engagement. For example, a real estate agency can use AI to predict which houses are most likely to sell based on market trends and customer interest. So AI then targets ads to the right audience, increasing conversions. And then it is used in customer service as already discussed before. So AI chatbots provide instant responses and reduce the need for human agents. So tools like ChatGPT, Drift, and Intercom improve customer engagement 24/7. So for example, a hotel chain can use an AI chatbot to handle booking inquiries, cancellations, and special requests, reducing workload for human agents. And then we have finance and banking. So nowadays AI is widely used in finance and banking sector because AI can detect fraudulent transactions in real time. And also AI-based systems automate loan approvals using customer data analysis. So for example, if a bank detects an unusual transaction, for example, a $5,000 withdrawal in another country, so AI can block the transaction and send an alert to the customer. And then you have the healthcare industry. So AI-powered tools assist doctors nowadays in diagnosing diseases faster. For example, AI can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and lab results to detect health issues early. So Google's DeepMind AI is very famous as it can detect eye diseases from scans with higher accuracy than human doctors. And then you have industries like manufacturing and supply chain where AI helps predict machine failures before they happen, which is called predictive maintenance. And also it optimizes inventory and delivery routes for cost effectively. So for example, a car manufacturer uses AI to detect early signs of equipment failure. So now that we have covered how AI is transforming businesses, let's dive deeper into the core AI technologies that power these innovations. So AI isn't just one tool, it's a combination of different technologies that allow the computers to learn, understand, see, create, and automate. So in the next chapter, we'll break down these AI technologies in detail, explaining how they work and how businesses use them in the real world. So now that we have covered how AI is transforming businesses, let's dive deeper into the core AI technologies that power these innovations. So AI isn't just one tool, it's a combination of different technologies that allow computers to learn, understand, see, create, and automate. So let's see those. The first one is, of course, machine learning, which is also known as the brain of AI. So now what is machine learning? So think about how a toddler learns to recognize animals. If you show them enough pictures of dogs and cats, over time they understand the difference. Dogs are bigger, have longer snots, and bark, while cats are smaller, have pointy ears, and meow. So machine learning works similarly. Instead of giving a computer a strict set of rules, we provide large amounts of data, and the machine learns patterns on its own. So it improves over time as it gets more data, just like the toddler gets better at recognizing animals with experience. So now let's see how does it work. The first step is data collection. So the first step in ML is gathering and preparing data, as the accuracy of an AI system depends on the quality as well as quantity of data it is trained on. So this data can come from various sources such as customer transactions, website activities, sensor readings, anything according to the industry it is being used. So now there are so many types of data also, like structured data, unstructured data, and real-time data. Now the next step is pattern recognition. So once the data is collected, the AI system analyzes it to detect patterns, trends, and relationships. So this step involves using statistical models, clustering techniques, and deep learning algorithms to uncover insight. The AI looks for correlations between the different factors to predict future. So there are some of the rules like association rule learning, clustering algorithms, time series analysis, etc. And then after that comes prediction and decision making. So after learning from historical data, the AI system applies these patterns to make predictions and automate decision making. So this step powers AI-driven recommendations, automated workflows, and forecasting models that improve business outcomes. So some of the examples of AI-driven predictions are recommendation systems, fraud detection, and predictive maintenance. So this is how machine learning works. Now let's see some of the real-world business applications of machine learning. So first is in retail and e-commerce. So e-commerce platforms, as already discussed, uses machine learning to analyze customer behavior and recommend products based on purchase history. So for example, when Amazon suggests customers who bought this also bought, it's using machine learning to identify patterns in previous transactions and predict what you like. And then it's also used in finance, where banks and financial institutes rely largely on machine learning for fraud detection and risk assessment. So if your credit card is suddenly used in a different country, ML detects this deviation from your normal spending patterns and flags it. Also, machine learning is used for credit scoring, automated trading, and loan approval decisions. We'll take a deeper look at all of these later in this lesson. And then AI is also used in healthcare. It plays a very crucial role in early disease detection and medical diagnosis. So by analyzing past patient records, machine learning models can identify patterns and symptoms and suggest potential conditions. So across these industries, machine learning is revolutionizing how businesses operate, making processes more intelligent, efficient, and also customer-centric. Now, the next technology that we are going to talk about is natural language processing, or NLP, which means how AI understands human language. So if you have ever asked Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant a question, you have used natural language processing in action. So NLP allows computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language, whether it's spoken or in the written form. So for humans, understanding language is easy. We instantly know the difference between can you open the door or the door is open, like any statements. But for computers, this is complex. So words can have multiple meanings, slang changes, and tone matters. So NLP basically breaks down sentences, understands the context, and determines intent, which means emotion, to generate a human-like response. So how does this NLP actually work? So the first step is speech recognition. So speech recognition, also known as automatic speech recognition, ASR, converts spoken language into written text. So this technology is essential for voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, enabling them to understand and respond to user commands. It is also used in voice-to-text transcription services, allowing businesses to convert meetings, customer service calls, or lectures into text for easy documentation. And the next process is text processing. So once text is available, NLP processes it and analyzes it to extract meaning. So this involves various tasks such as tokenization, part of speech tagging, and named entity recognition. So chatbots and virtual assistants use text processing to understand customer queries and generate appropriate responses. And then comes sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis determines whether a given text expresses a positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. Basically, it analyzes emotions. So businesses use this technique for social media monitoring, customer feedback analysis, and brand reputation management. So for example, a company analyzing product reviews can use sentiment analysis to detect customer satisfaction trends and address negative feedback promptly. So by combining these steps, NLP enables AI-driven applications to understand and interact with human language, improving customer service, automating tasks, and enhancing business intelligence. Now, here are some real-world applications of NLP. First one is customer support, where businesses use NLP-powered chatbots like ChatGPT, IBM Watson, and Google Dialogflow to handle customer inquiries without human intervention. So these chatbots understand and respond to user queries in natural language, providing 24/7 support, answering FAQs, and resolving common issues. It's also used in social media monitoring, so companies analyze customer reviews, social media posts, and online discussions to gauge public sentiment about their brand, products, or services. So NLP tools process large volumes of text to detect trends, identify customer pain points, and measure brand reputation. And also it is used in finance and banking. So NLP plays a crucial role in automated fraud detection by analyzing transaction records, emails, and messages for suspicious activity. Banks and financial institutions use NLP algorithms to detect phishing scams, fraudulent loan applications, and unusual account behavior. So NLP is also used in chatbots for financial advice too, which we'll see later. And then the next technology is computer vision, which means AI that can see like humans. So basically imagine a security camera that not only records video, but can recognize faces, detect unusual behavior, and alert security staff if something seems off. So that's computer vision in action. It enables computers to process, analyze, and interpret visual information just like human eye. So while humans instantly recognize objects, colors, and faces, AI must be trained on millions of images to identify things accurately. So let's see how does it work. So AI models work by training on thousands or even millions of images, allowing them to recognize and differentiate between objects, faces, or patterns. So during training, the AI analyzes various features such as shapes, colors, and textures, gradually improving its ability to classify images accurately. For example, facial recognition AI learns to detect key facial landmarks, like the distance between eyes or jawline shape, to identify individuals. So once trained, the AI applies this knowledge in real-world scenarios, such as unlocking smartphones with facial recognition, detecting objects in self-driving cars, or identifying defects in manufacturing. So by continuously learning from new data, AI enhances its accuracy and adapts to different environments, making it a powerful tool in various industries. So now let's move on to some of the real-world business applications of computer vision. So again, we have retail and shopping, where Amazon's cashier-less stores use computer vision to detect what customers pick up and charge them automatically. Then we use it in manufacturing, where AI-powered quality control systems scan products on an assembly line, identifying defects instantly. It's also used in healthcare, where AI scans medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect early signs of disease. And then comes the most famous generative AI, which is the AI that creates content. So generative AI is revolutionizing industries by creating new content rather than just analyzing data like traditional AI. It can generate text, images, videos, music, and even code, enabling applications such as AI written articles, AI generated art, and deepfake videos. So businesses use it for marketing, gaming, healthcare, and so on. And by mimicking human creativity, Gen AI is transforming workflows, making processes faster and unlocking new possibilities. So Gen AI works by training on vast data sets using deep learning techniques such as neural networks to recognize patterns and structures within the data. So during training, the model learns relationships between words, images, or sounds, enabling it to generate new original content. And once trained, the AI uses probabilistic algorithms to predict and produce new content based on user inputs. So here are some real world applications. First, there is marketing and advertising, where AI tools generate social media posts, ad copy, and blog content. And there's design and branding, where AI powered tools like DALI, for example, create custom images for businesses. And then it's also used in entertainment industry, where AI generated music and video deepfakes are revolutionizing digital content creation. And finally, we'll be talking about RPA, which is robotic process automation, which means it's basically the AI that automates repetitive tasks. So, for example, imagine an office worker spending hours copying and pasting information between spreadsheets, manually transferring data, and checking for errors. And now picture an AI powered software bot completing the same task in seconds without mistakes or fatigue. So, this is robotic process automation, a technology that automates repetitive tasks, rule based tasks, allowing employees to focus on more strategic work. So, RPA bots can extract data from emails, update databases, generate reports, and even interact with enterprise applications, just like a human user. So now let's see the real world applications of RPA. First one is, of course, finance and accounting, where it automates invoicing, payroll processing, and data entry. It is also used in HR and recruitment, where it scans resumes and shortlists candidates automatically. And is also used in customer support, where AI powered email bots respond to customer queries instantly. So now that we've explored the core AI technologies, let's dive into something even more exciting: how AI is being applied across industries. So I've already explained a brief about this earlier, so right now we'll get into more details. So as you know, businesses across different sectors are using AI to automate tasks, improve customer experience, and make decisions. Like whether it's helping doctors to detect diseases earlier, or enabling banks to prevent fraud, AI is transforming industries. So in this chapter, we'll go deep into how AI is making a real impact across different industries. So let's get into it. We'll start with AI in retail and e-commerce, how AI is changing shopping. So retailers handle millions of products and customers, making it almost impossible to manually track trends and personalize shopping experiences. So AI plays a crucial role by analyzing customer behavior, predicting what shoppers want, and automating business operations. So every time you shop online and receive personalized recommendations, see dynamic pricing changes, or interact with a chatbot, it is AI that is working behind the scenes. So, for example, one of the most common uses of AI in retail is personalized product recommendations. So, when you browse an e commerce platform like Amazon, the AI analyzes your previous searches, past purchases, and what others with similar interests have bought. So, this helps Amazon show you recommended for you option, which are the products that increase the chances of a purchase. Similarly, AI enables dynamic pricing, which is where prices change based on demand, inventory, and competitor pricing. Just like how you would have seen Uber's surge pricing, where demand is high. And then you have AI powered chatbots, which have also revolutionized customer service in retail. So instead of waiting for a human agent, chatbots, for example, like H&M's AI assistant, provide fashion advice and answer queries instantly. And another crucial area where AI is making an impact is inventory management and demand forecasting. So, by analyzing shopping trends, AI can predict which products will sell out soon, helping retailers adjust stock levels accordingly. So this prevents issues like overstocking or running out of popular products, ensuring a smoother shopping experience for customers. So for example, imagine you own an online furniture store. So AI can help by recommending products based on what a customer previously viewed, offering discounts on abandoned carts to encourage purchases and predicting when certain items will run out of stock so that you can reorder in advance. So this level of automation helps businesses improve efficiency and increase sales. So now let's move on to AI in healthcare sector, where AI is helping in saving lives. So as you know, healthcare is one of the most crucial industries benefiting from AI. Hospitals, clinics, and research institutes generate massive amounts of medical data, from patient records to MRI scans. So AI helps doctors analyze this data faster and more accurately, leading to better diagnosis and treatments. So one of the most powerful applications of AI in healthcare is disease detection and diagnosis. So AI models can analyze medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect early signs of diseases such as cancer, heart conditions, and diabetic retinopathy. So studies have shown that AI can diagnose certain diseases more accurately than human doctors because it can process millions of cases and detect patterns that may be missing by the human eye. So the famous example is Google's DeepMind AI, which can identify eye diseases, from scans with greater precision than doctors, allowing for early intervention. And also, AI is transforming drug discovery, which is a process that usually took years. So traditionally, scientists have to manually test thousands of compounds to find the right one for a new drug. But AI has speeded up the process by predicting which chemical compounds will be effective against diseases. So this is already helping pharmaceutical companies develop new drugs faster and at a lower cost. Now, another game-changing AI application is the robotic assisted surgery. So AI-powered surgical robots help doctors perform precise, minimally invasive surgery with better accuracy so that it can avoid human errors. So the Da Vinci surgical system, for example, allows surgeons to operate with robotic arms that provide greater precision than human hands, leading to quicker recovery times for patients. And also in hospitals, AI is also being used for predictive analysis, which means AI powered systems can monitor ICU patients and predict complications before they happen. So, by analyzing patient data in real time, AI can alert doctors if a patient is at risk of deterioration, allowing for saving life at the earliest. So, for example, consider a scenario where a hospital uses AI powered X ray analysis. So, the patient gets an X ray, and instead of waiting days for a radiologist review, the AI instantly scans the image and flags potential signs of, for example, pneumonia. So, the doctor receives an immediate alert, allowing the doctor to start treatment right away. So this not only speeds up diagnosis but also saves lives by catching diseases early. So now let's move on to AI in finance. So as you know, the financial sector handles billions of transactions every day, making it a prime area for AI adoption. So here AI is used mainly for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, loan approvals, and customer service. So fraud detection is one of the most important AI applications right now in banking industry. So AI monitors every transaction real time, looking for suspicious activity. So for example, if your credit card is suddenly used in another country while your phone is still active in your home country, so AI can actually recognize this as an unusual pattern, and it may block the transaction to prevent fraud or give you an alert. So for example, banks like JP Morgan and Citibank use AI-driven fraud detection systems to analyze spending habits and flag suspicious transactions instantly. And also we have AI chatbots, which are also improving customer service in banking. So virtual assistants like Erica by Bank of America handle account balance inquiries, bill payments, and even financial advice, reducing the need for human agents. So AI also plays a key role in algorithmic trading, where AI systems analyze market trends, economic news, and stock price movements to make investments decisions faster than any humans. Now, another area, as already told, where AI is making a huge impact is loan approvals and credit scoring. So traditionally, banks assess loan applications based on credit history, income, and employment details. Now, AI takes this a little further by analyzing spending behavior, online activity, and even social media presence to determine creditworthiness. So this allows banks to approve or reject loan within minutes instead of days. And it also gives more insight. So for example, imagine applying for a loan online. So instead of waiting for days or weeks, an AI system can actually instantly analyze your financial history on the spot and approve your loan within minutes, offering your personalized interest rate based on your risk profile. So this makes banking faster and more efficient for the customers. So finally, let's move on to AI in manufacturing. So the manufacturing industry relies heavily on machines, supply chains, and large-scale production. And AI is helping optimize operations, reduce waste, and improve product quality. So one of the most important AI applications in manufacturing is predictive maintenance. So instead of waiting for machines to break down, AI can actually predict failures before they happen. So sensors installed on machines continuously monitor temperature, vibration, and pressure. So if AI detects an anomaly, it alerts engineers so that they can fix the issue before a breakdown happens. So this prevents costly downtime and also keeps production running smoothly. Now, AI also plays a huge part in quality control. So traditional manufacturing relies on human inspectors to identify defects in products. AI-powered cameras, however, can scan thousands of products per second, identifying even microscopic defects with greater accuracy than human inspectors. So companies like Tesla and Siemens use AI for automated quality assurance, ensuring that defective products are caught before they leave the factory. Now, supply chain optimization is another area where AI is making a difference. So AI predicts demand fluctuations, helping manufacturers adjust production schedules and reduce waste. So this is especially useful in industries like automobile manufacturing, where supply chain disruptions can cause delays. So for example, imagine a car manufacturing plant that uses AI. The AI system scans every newly assembled vehicle for defects, predicts when machines need maintenance, and optimizes supply chains so that raw materials arrive just in time to prevent overstocking. So this makes production faster, cheaper, and more efficient. So now I hope you got a clear picture on how AI is transforming industries and how businesses are benefiting from it. So in the next chapter, we'll see how AI is being implemented in business, like the steps to implement AI in your business. So far, we've explored how AI is transforming industries and how businesses can benefit from it. But how do companies actually implement AI into their business operations? So, understanding AI's potential is one thing, but putting it into practice requires a step by step approach. And AI is not just a tool you can plug in and expect instant results. So, in this chapter, we'll go through a structured process on how businesses use AI. So, the first step is identifying AI opportunities in your business. So, before adopting AI, businesses must first identify areas where AI can add the most value. So to do this, businesses need to ask few questions. Number one is, where do we spend too much time on repetitive tasks? So does the team spend hours answering the same question? AI chatbots can help. Or is data entry slowing down operations? AI can automate document processes. The next question is, which processes generate a lot of data but are underutilized? So if a company collects customer data but doesn't analyze it, AI can provide insights to improve marketing or sales strategies. For example, in manufacturing, if sensor data is available but not used effectively, AI can predict machine failures before they happen. And then another question would be, where do human errors impact efficiency or customer satisfaction? So, for example, if financial reports often contain manual errors, AI powered analytics can improve accuracy. Or, for example, if medical diagnoses take too long, AI based image recognition can assist doctors in making faster decisions. So, by focusing on specific business challenges, companies can ensure that AI adoption leads to measurable improvements rather than just being a tech experiment. So, once we have identified the AI opportunities in a business, the next step would be collecting and preparing data for AI. So, AI is only as good as the data it is trained on. The quality, quantity, and organization of data play a crucial role in how well an AI model performs. So businesses need to gather, clean, and structure data properly before implementing AI. So let's see, how does a good data look? First one, it would be relevant data. So not all data is useful for every AI application. Businesses must carefully select the data that aligns with their specific AI objectives. Irrelevant data can introduce noise into AI models, leading to inaccurate results and wasted computational resources. So, for example, if a company is developing an AI powered customer service chatbot, so the most valuable data would come from a past support tickets, emails, and chat logs. So these sources contain real interactions between customers and support agents, providing the chatbot with contextual understanding and response patterns. Similarly, an AI system designed for inventory management should rely on data related to stock levels, supplier delivery times, and sales trends rather than social media engagement metrics. Next, clean the data. So AI cannot perform well if the underlying data contains errors, inconsistencies, or missing values. So dirty data can result in flawed predictions, operational inefficiencies, and poor decision making. So clean data is well organized, accurate, and free of duplicate or incomplete records. So one of the most common issues is duplicate entries, where the same customer appears multiple times in a database due to minor variations in name spelling or email formatting. So if an AI-driven marketing tool relies on such data, it may send multiple promotional emails to the same person, leading to a poor customer experience. And one more challenge could be missing or inconsistent values. So suppose a hospital uses AI to predict patient diagnosis, but key data points like age, medical history, or symptoms are frequently missing. So the AI model may struggle to generate reliable predictions, potentially affecting patient care. So to maintain data cleanliness, businesses must establish rigorous data validation processes, automate error detection, and standardize data entry practices. The third one is diverse and unbiased data. So AI models learn from data they are trained on, as already mentioned. So if the data lacks diversity or contains inherent biases, the AI system will replicate and amplify those biases, leading to unfair outcomes. So businesses must ensure that data represents a broad spectrum of real-world scenarios to create fair and effective AI models. So for example, if a bank trains its AI loan approval system using data exclusively from wealthy urban customers, so the model may develop biased decision-making patterns. It could reject applications from rural or lower-income individuals simply because they were underrepresented in the training data. So this not only results in unfair lending practices, but also exposes the company to regulatory scrutiny and reputational damage. So once the right data is gathered, it must be organized and stored in AI-friendly formats, ensuring privacy and security, especially for industries like finance and healthcare where data regulations apply. The next step is choosing the right AI tools and platforms. So not all businesses need to build AI models from scratch. Many AI-powered tools and platforms are already available and exists that companies can integrate with minimal effort. So the choice depends purely on the business needs, technical capabilities, and budget. So mainly there are three main types of AI tools for businesses. First one is cloud-based AI services. So cloud-based AI services provide ready-to-use AI models that businesses can integrate into their operations without requiring deep technical expertise. So these platforms offer AI capabilities like image recognition, speech processing, and predictive analysis. So for example, Google AI offers AI-powered tools for image recognition, natural language processing, and data analytics. So businesses can use these tools to analyze customer feedback, automate data insights, and enhance digital experience. And then we have AWS AI services, which provides a suite of AI tools for fraud detection, personalized recommendations, and forecasting. So these AI services allow businesses to improve security, predict sales trends, and offer tailored product recommendations. And then we have Microsoft Azure AI, which is used for speech recognition, chatbots, and computer vision applications. So, for example, a small e-commerce business wants to offer AI-powered product recommendations to customers, but lacks the resources to build an AI model from scratch. So instead of hiring data scientists, the business can actually integrate Google Cloud's AI's recommendation engine, which analyzes customer behavior and suggests products, improving sales and customer satisfaction. The next type of tool is no-code and low-code AI platforms, which is for businesses that want AI but don't have developers. So no-code and low-code AI platforms enable non-technical users to build AI-powered solutions without writing complex codes. So these platforms use visual interfaces, drag and drop tools, and pre-built automation components, making AI more accessible to small businesses and startups. For example, tools like Make.com and Zapier, these platforms help businesses automate workflows using AI. They integrate with multiple apps, allowing users to create automated processes such as customer email responses, task assignments, and AI-driven data categorization. And then you have tools like ChatGPT and Bard AI, which is widely used. So these AI-powered tools generate human-like text, assist in customer support, and help businesses create engaging content. So companies use them to draft marketing materials, automate customer interactions, and generate creative ideas. Now the next type of tool is custom AI development, which is for businesses that need AI tailored to their needs. So for businesses with unique or highly specialized AI requirements, off-the-shelf solutions may not be sufficient. So custom AI development allows organizations to build AI models tailored to their specific needs using programming languages like Python and AI frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Scikit. So custom AI models can be designed for niche use cases such as fraud detection, medical diagnostics, supply chain optimization, and autonomous systems. Also, some industries such as finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity requires AI models that meet strict security, compliance, and accuracy requirements. So they can also use custom AI development. Now, the fourth step is integrating AI into business processes. So once the right AI tool is chosen, it must be integrated seamlessly into existing workflows. So businesses should focus on AI adoption that enhances productivity without disrupting current operations. So now let's see how businesses can integrate AI. Number one, customer support. So AI chatbots can handle basic customer inquiries, including workload for human agents. Then comes marketing and sales, which we already discussed. AI-powered email personalization, social media ad targeting, and customer segmentation. And then we have finance and accounting, where AI can automate invoice processing, detect fraud, and improve financial forecasting. Where AI-powered predictive analytics can optimize supply chain and reduce machine downtime. Now, the fifth step is testing, monitoring, and improving AI performance, which is very, very important step. So AI models are not perfect from the start. They need continuous learning and refinement. So businesses must test AI systems to assure accuracy, reliability, and fairness. So here are some of the key steps in AI testing and monitoring. So first one is running pilot tests. So before deploying AI across an entire business operation, organizers should conduct pilot tests. So pilot test is a small scale controlled implementation of the AI system to evaluate its real world performance in a safe environment. So pilot tests greatly helps in identifying errors, biases, and unexpected behavior before full deployment. It allows businesses to collect initial feedback and make necessary adjustments. It also reduces risks associated with AI failures, such as incorrect predictions or poor decision making. Then comes measuring performance. So AI models must be evaluated using key performance metrics to ensure accuracy, efficiency, and fairness. Accuracy and precision measure how correctly AI predicts or classifies data, such as medical AI detecting diseases with minimal false positives or negatives. Response time and speed assess how quickly AI delivers results, like chatbots providing instant replies. Then you have error rate and false positive negative, which helps detect incorrect predictions. Ensuring fraud detection, AI blocks actual fraud without mistakenly rejecting valid transactions. And then you have bias and fairness audits check for discriminatory patterns, preventing AI hiring tools from unfairly favoring candidates based on gender or ethnicity. So because of all these reasons, measuring the performance is very critical. And then comes continuously updating AI models. So AI models must evolve continuously to stay accurate and relevant, as model drift occurs when they are not trained on new data. So regular updates help AI adapt to changes, business conditions, customer preferences, and regulations while improving output quality with real-world data. So for example, a travel company launches an AI-powered chatbot. So initially, customers find the response too generic, but by analyzing conversations, the company trains the AI with better responses, leading to improved engagement. Now, the final step is measuring ROI and scaling AI. So here, the business should evaluate the following. Number one is, did AI reduce costs? So one of the AI's key benefits is automation, which reduces the need for manual labor in repetitive tasks. So by streamlining workflows, businesses can cut operational costs, reallocate resources, and focus human employees on higher value tasks. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle routine customer inquiries, reducing the need for large customer service teams. The next question would be, did AI increase revenue? So AI-driven personalization and predictive analytics can directly impact sales and revenue growth. So businesses using AI for targeted marketing, dynamic pricing, or recommendation engines often see improved customer engagement and conversion rates. So for instance, an e-commerce platform leveraging AI to suggest personalized product recommendations can increase average order value, leading to higher revenue. And the third question would be, did AI improve efficiency? So AI enhances operational efficiency by optimizing workflows, reducing delays, and improving decision making. So faster customer service, automated report generation, and AI-powered predictive maintenance contribute to smoother business operations. So for example, AI in logistics can optimize delivery routes, ensuring faster shipping and cost savings. So these were some of the steps in implementing AI in your business. In the next chapter, we'll see some of the challenges and ethical considerations of AI. So far, we have discussed how businesses can implement AI and integrate it into their operations. However, AI is not without its challenges. While AI can automate tasks, improve efficiency and everything, it also comes with risks related to data privacy, bias, costs, job displacement, etc. And if not handled properly, AI can lead to unfair decisions, privacy violations, and financial losses. So in this chapter, we'll go deep into these challenges and explore how businesses can adopt AI responsibly and ethically. So first concern is data privacy and security. So AI thrives on data, but this data often includes sensitive and personal information. Businesses that use AI must ensure data privacy, security, and compliance with global regulations. So, for example, an AI-powered healthcare chatbot that collects patient symptoms and medical history must ensure that this data remains confidential and is not misused. So, if healthcare data is stored without proper encryption, hackers could steal patient records, leading to identity theft and misuse of sensitive medical information. Similarly, in banking, AI powered fraud detection systems analyze customer transactions and personal banking details. And if this data is not properly protected, it could lead to financial fraud or unauthorized access to accounts. So, here are some of the major privacy risks in AI. Number one is unauthorized data collection. So, AI systems sometimes collect more data than necessary, leading to privacy violations. Then comes data breaches and cyber attacks. So AI databases are targets for hackers. Without security measures, sensitive customer data can be stolen. Then comes non-transparent data usage. So some companies do not inform customers about how their data is being used, violating privacy regulations. So how can businesses ensure data privacy and security? First is using strong encryption methods to protect customer data from cyber attacks. Then comes anonymize sensitive data before processing it in AI models. Then you can follow global data protections like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPPA, and also by giving customers control over their data. For example, options to opt out, delete, or edit data. So, for example, if a bank is using AI to analyze customer spending patterns, they should ensure that customer names, addresses, and account numbers are anonymized before AI processes the data. So, this way, AI can still generate insights without exposing personal details. The next concern is AI bias and fairness, which preventing discrimination in AI decisions. So AI models learn from historical data, as you know, and if that data contains bias, the AI will replicate those biases. So this can lead to discriminatory decisions in hiring, banking, policing, and more. So for instance, if an AI model for hiring is trained on historical data that favors male candidates, the system may automatically rank female candidates lower, leading to gender bias in recruitment. So similarly, AI-driven credit scoring systems have been found to reject loans for lower income individuals based on past lending practices, even when they are financially stable. So here are some real-world AI bias cases. For example, Amazon's hiring tool was scrapped because it preferred male applicants over female applicants, as it was trained on past resumes that were mostly from men. Then facial recognition AI has higher error rates for people with darker skin tones, leading to unfair policing and surveillance. And also, AI powered credit card approval systems have unfairly rejected loans for people from certain ethnic backgrounds. So, how does all this AI bias happen? Number one, training data bias. So AI learns from historical human decisions, which may already contain bias. Then comes algorithmic bias. The way AI processes data can sometimes amplify discrimination. And also lack of diverse data. So if AI is trained on data from only one group, it may not work well for other groups. So now how can businesses reduce AI bias? Number one, use diverse and representative datasets to train AI models. Then regularly test AI models for bias and fairness. Also ensure human oversight in AI-driven decision making. You can also develop ethical AI guidelines to avoid unfair discrimination. So for example, a company using AI for resume screening should ensure that the dataset includes an equal number of resumes from different genders, ethnicities, and backgrounds to avoid biased hiring decisions. Next challenge is cost versus ROI. Is AI worth the investment? So AI can save costs and improve efficiency, but it also requires significant investment in technology, infrastructure, and skilled talent. So businesses must ensure that the benefits of AI outweigh the costs to achieve a positive return on investment. So for example, a manufacturing company may want to implement AI predictive maintenance to reduce machine downtime. However, the cost of setting up AI-powered sensors and maintaining AI infrastructure could be high, making businesses hesitant to invest. So here are some of the challenges in AI costs. Number one is high initial investment. So AI adoption requires investment in data collection, AI software, cloud computing, and skilled professionals. Ongoing maintenance costs. AI models need continuous monitoring, updates, and retraining to remain effective. And then there are scalability issues. So AI systems must be designed to handle future business growth, which adds to costs. So how can businesses manage AI costs effectively? Number one is start with small AI projects before scaling up. Also use cloud-based AI services, for example, Google Cloud AI, AWS AI, or Microsoft Azure AI to reduce infrastructure costs. and also continuously measure AI ROI to ensure business impact justifies investment. So, for example, instead of developing an AI powered chatbot from scratch, a company can use ChatGPT API to integrate AI powered customer service at a lower cost. And finally, we have the challenge of job displacement and workforce adaptation. So, as you know, one of the most controversial impacts of AI is job displacement nowadays. AI can automate repetitive tasks, reducing the need for human workers in some industries. However, AI also creates new job opportunities that require new skills. So, for example, AI powered self checkout systems in retail stores reduce the need for cashiers, while AI driven automation in manufacturing replaces some assembly line jobs. However, AI also creates demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and automation engineers. So here are some of the industries affected by AI automation. First is manufacturing. So AI-powered robots are replacing assembly line workers. Then we have customer service, where AI chatbots are reducing the need for human agents. And then we have finance, where AI algorithms are automating financial analysis and auditing. So how can businesses address these AI-driven job displacement? Number one is upskilling employees to work with AI tools instead of replacing them, and creating new roles in AI oversight, data management, and AI ethics. You can also use AI to assist human workers rather than fully replacing them. So, for example, instead of replacing customer service agents, a company can use AI chatbots to handle basic queries, allowing human agents to focus on complex customer interactions. So, now that you got a basic idea of the challenges, in the next chapter, we will discuss on how to get started with AI for your business. So now that we have explored the challenges and ethical considerations of AI, the next important step is understanding how businesses and individuals can start using AI effectively. Many companies acknowledge the importance of AI but struggle with where to begin, what tools to use, and how to build the right team. Similarly, professionals looking to enter the AI field often wonder what skills they need and which AI career paths are available. So, in this chapter, we will break down the step by step process of how businesses can integrate AI, whether by leveraging existing AI tools or building custom AI solutions. So, let's get into it. Number one is understanding the business goals for AI adoption. So, before implementing AI, businesses must clearly define what they want to achieve. AI should be used to solve specific business challenges rather than being integrated for the sake of following trends. So, without a well defined goal, businesses may invest heavily in AI tools without seeing meaningful returns. For example, a retail business may want to use AI to predict customer purchasing trends to optimize inventory, ensuring popular products are always in stock. A hospital might look into AI driven diagnostic tools to detect diseases faster and more accurately. Meanwhile, a bank could implement AI powered fraud detection to monitor and prevent suspicious transactions. So, before investing in AI, businesses should ask the key questions such as what problem are we trying to solve with AI? Do we have enough data for AI to learn from? Which AI technology like machine learning, NLP, or computer vision is best suited for our needs? And should we build AI models in house or use existing AI services? So, by answering these questions, businesses can ensure the AI strategy is aligned with real business objectives, making AI implementation both effective and practical. The next step is learning AI without coding. So, many businesses hesitate to adopt AI because they lack technical expertise in programming and machine learning. However, with the rise of no code and low code AI platforms, even non technical businesses can leverage AI without needing a team of AI engineers. So, no code AI platforms provide ready to use AI tools where businesses can input their data and let AI generate insights, automate tasks, or improve decision making. So, these platforms remove the need for complex coding while still allowing businesses to use AI effectively. So, some of the most popular no code and low code AI platforms include Make.com and Zapier, which allows businesses to create AI powered workflow automation without writing code. And then there is ChatGPT and Bard AI, which are AI chatbots that generate text based responses, assisting in customer service and content creation. And then there is Google Auto ML, which helps businesses train custom AI models for tasks like image recognition and language processing. And then we have Teachable Machine, which enables companies to build AI powered image classification models with ease. So, for example, a small e commerce business that wants to provide personalized product recommendations can use Google Cloud's AI's recommendation engine instead of developing a complex AI model from scratch. So these platforms offer an affordable and efficient way to start experimenting with AI. Next step is hiring AI talent versus hiring AI SaaS tools. So businesses must decide whether to build AI solutions in-house or use third-party AI services. So this choice depends on the complexity of the AI application, the availability of skilled talent, and budget consideration. So for example, for businesses that need quick AI integration without significant investment, AI software as a service tools are a great option. These tools offer pre-trained AI models that can be integrated into existing systems without needing specialized AI expertise. However, for companies that require custom AI solutions, hiring AI professionals and developing in-house AI models might be the better approach. This is particularly true for businesses that deal with proprietary data and unique business problems that cannot be solved with off-the-shelf AI tools. So, for example, an AI-powered cybersecurity company that detects fraud in real time may need to develop a custom AI model to handle large amounts of security data. On the other hand, a travel agency can integrate a ChatGPT AI-powered chatbot into its website for automated booking assistance without needing to develop its own AI chatbot from scratch. And then the next step is using best free and paid AI learning resources. So for professionals looking to build a career, there are many free and paid learning resources available. So these courses and certifications help individuals understand AI fundamentals, machine learning, deep learning, and AI applications. Now next, let's move on to the AI tools every business should know. So businesses do not need to develop AI solutions from scratch. There are many AI-powered SaaS tools available. So here are some of the tools for different industries. For marketing and sales, we have HubSpot AI, which is an AI-powered CRM and marketing automation. And then we have Poseidon, which is AI-generated ad copy and personalized messaging. And then for customer service and chatbots, we have the famous ChatGPT API, which is an AI chatbot for handling customer inquiries. And then we have IBM Watson Assistant, which is an AI-powered virtual assistant for businesses. And for finance and analytics, we have Tableau AI, which is an AI-powered data visualization and business intelligence tool. And then Xero, which is an AI-driven accounting and financial management tool. So for example, an online retailer can use HubSpot AI to analyze customer behavior and automate email marketing campaigns, improving conversion rates without manual intervention. So next, let's see the AI trends for the future, like what businesses should watch for. So AI is constantly evolving, as you know, and businesses must stay ahead of emerging AI trends to remain competitive. So some of the key AI trends include hyper-automation, which is AI-powered automation that eliminates manual processes across business functions. Then we have conversational AI, which is advanced AI chatbots that understand context, sentiment, and emotions in customer interactions. Then we have AI-powered cybersecurity, which is AI-driven fraud detection and threat prevention for protecting business data. And then there is generative AI for content, which are AI tools that can generate blog posts, advertisements, and even videos automatically. So for instance, a cybersecurity company can use AI-powered threat detection to monitor online systems and identify cyber attacks before they happen, reducing security risks for businesses. So now we have seen how to get started with AI for business and some of the trends. Now in the next chapter, we'll see how AI optimizes business processes in detail. So in this chapter, we'll see how AI can optimize business processes. So today's business world, efficiency and speed are critical for success, and companies face increasing challenges in managing operations, reducing costs, and improving decision making. So traditional methods often involve manual processes that are slow, prone to errors, and expensive. And this is where artificial intelligence becomes a game changer. So in this chapter, we will explore how AI is transforming business processes, followed by a detailed case study of Walmart showcasing how AI has revolutionized its inventory management system. First, let's see how AI enhances business operations. So businesses generate vast amounts of data every day: customer interactions, financial transactions, market trends, and operational activities. However, without the right tools, this data is often underutilized or mismanaged. So AI helps companies extract meaningful insights, automate manual tasks, and optimize processes in 5 key areas. Number one is automating repetitive tasks. So many business processes involve repetitive, time-consuming tasks that do not require complex decision-making. Employees often spend hours answering routine customer inquiries, inputting data, generating reports, and processing transactions. So these tasks, while essential, take time away from higher value activities like strategy development and customer engagement. So AI-powered robotic process automation can handle these repetitive tasks efficiently. For example, AI chatbots can instantly respond to customer queries, reducing wait times and freeing human agents to focus on more complex issues. AI also automates data entry, invoice processing, and report generation, ensuring accuracy and speed. Next is improving decision making with AI-powered insights. So businesses thrive on making data-driven decisions, but analyzing massive data sets manually is challenging. AI-powered analytics tool process vast amounts of data in seconds, identifying trends, patterns, and potential risks that humans might overlook. For example, an AI-powered sales forecasting tool can analyze historical sales data, customer behavior, and external factors like market trends and seasonal changes to predict future demand accurately. So this helps businesses plan inventory, adjust pricing strategies, and allocate resources efficiently. AI-driven decision-making reduces guesswork, allowing companies to respond to market changes proactively rather than reactively. And then comes reducing operational costs. So operational costs are a major concern for businesses, especially when it comes to labor, supply chain management, and energy consumption. So AI helps reduce costs by optimizing processes, improving resource allocation, and minimizing inefficiencies. So for example, AI-powered predictive maintenance, as discussed earlier, in manufacturing identifies early signs of machine failure, preventing costly breakdowns and unplanned downtime. AI-driven energy management systems analyze power usage patterns and adjust consumption levels, reducing electricity bills without compromising performance. Businesses that integrate AI solutions significantly cut expenses while maintaining or even improving service quality. And next comes enhancing customer experience. So customer expectations are higher than ever, and businesses that fail to provide personalized, efficient service risk losing customers to competitors. AI enables businesses to offer personalized experiences, faster responses, and seamless interactions. So for instance, AI-powered recommendation engines like those used by Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify analyze user behavior and suggest products, movies, or music tailored to individual preferences. In customer support, AI chatbots handle frequently asked questions, assist with bookings, and provide 24/7 support, improving response times and satisfaction levels. Also, AI-driven personalization increases customer engagement, builds brand loyalty, and drives higher sales. So now let's see a case study of how Walmart uses AI to optimize inventory management. So in this case study, the problem statement is managing inventory across thousands of stores. So Walmart, one of the world's largest retailers, faced a significant challenge in managing its inventory across over 10,000 stores worldwide. With millions of products being sold daily, it was difficult to keep high demand products in stock while avoiding overstocking less popular items, reduce waste and storage costs caused by inefficient inventory management, and predict future sales trends to optimize the supply chain and ensure smooth product availability. So previously, Walmart relied on manual inventory tracking methods, which led to frequent stock shortages, delays in restocking, and inefficient supply chain operations. So store managers had to physically count inventory levels and manually place orders, resulting in errors and inconsistencies. Walmart needed a smarter, automated solution to optimize inventory management and improve efficiency and increase profitability. So here is what Walmart came up as a solution, which is implementing predictive analytics for inventory optimization. So to address these challenges, Walmart integrated AI-driven predictive analytics into its inventory management system. The AI solution uses machine learning and big data analytics to automate and optimize inventory tracking, ensuring that products are available when and where they are needed. So the first step was AI analyzing sales data. So the system collects and processes data from millions of sales transactions daily, tracking trends to based on seasonality, customer preferences, and location-based demand. Then comes predictive analytics, cost demand. So AI predicts which product will be in high demand before they sell out, allowing stores to restock efficiently and avoid shortages. Then it automated inventory adjustments. So the AI system automatically places reorders when stock is running low, ensuring that warehouses and distribution centers send supplies at the right time. And then they optimize supply chain logistics. So AI streamlines the shipping and delivery process, reducing unnecessary transportation costs and ensuring timely product availability. And after the solution was implemented, these were the results. Walmart has seen significant improvements in its operations, like 25% reduction in stock shortages, ensuring customers always find what they need, 15% decrease in excess inventory, lowering storage costs and waste, improved sales forecasting, allowing for more accurate pricing and promotions, and faster response times in the supply chain, reducing unnecessary delays and costs. So by leveraging AI, Walmart has streamlined its entire inventory process, ensuring efficiency, cost savings, and better customer satisfaction. So here's how businesses can use AI to optimize the operations. Walmart's case studies highlights how AI-driven optimization improves inventory management. But AI can be applied across different business functions. So first is AI for customer support. So business can integrate AI chatbots like ChatGPT to automate customer inquiries. Then companies can use Salesforce Einstein AI or Google AI to predict future sales trends, helping businesses plan inventory, set prices, and manage resources more efficiently. And then there is AI-driven applicant tracking system to automate resume screening and candidate matching. And also there is AI-powered logistics solutions like IBM Watson supply chain, etc., to optimize routes, reduce delivery costs, and ensure timely shipments. In today's competitive business world, companies are constantly seeking ways to reduce expenses while improving efficiency and productivity. Cost reduction is essential for businesses of all sizes, whether it's a startup looking to maximize its budget or a large enterprise aiming to improve profitability. So, however, traditional cost-cutting measures such as downsizing or reducing operational expenses often lead to negative impacts on employee morale and customer satisfaction. And this is where artificial intelligence provides a smart alternative. Rather than simply cutting costs through workforce reductions or operational limitations, AI helps businesses optimize their resources, automate processes, and improve decision making, leading to sustainable cost savings without compromising quality or efficiency. AI-driven cost reduction strategies focus on eliminating inefficiencies, preventing financial losses, and improving productivity. So now we'll see different ways AI helps businesses minimize costs, followed by a real-world case study on how AI helped Amazon cut costs in logistics and warehousing operations. So how AI reduces costs in business operations? So AI can significantly lower costs in various ways. Let's see how. Number one is, as we already know, automating repetitive and manual tasks. So as you know, one of the biggest cost burdens for businesses is time-consuming, repetitive tasks that require human effort but do not add strategic value. So employees often spend hours on data entry, processing invoices, handling customer inquiries, and managing administrative workflows. So an AI-powered RPA helps businesses automate all these tasks. Next is reducing errors and financial losses. So human errors in data entry, accounting, and inventory management can be costly. Businesses often suffer from billing mistakes, miscalculations, and compliance issues, and supply chain inefficiencies that result in unnecessary financial losses. AI significantly reduces these errors by analyzing data accurately, detecting anomalies, and automating financial processes. AI-powered accounting software such as Xero and QuickBooks AI helps companies avoid costly mistakes in expense tracking, payroll management, and tax calculations. AI also plays a key role in fraud detection, identifying suspicious financial transactions in real time and preventing businesses from incurring fraudulent losses. For example, AI-driven fraud detection tools in banking and finance monitor millions of transactions every second. And if an AI system detects an unusual withdrawal or suspicious activity, it can immediately flag the transaction and prevent unauthorized financial losses. Next is optimizing supply chain and logistics costs. So managing an efficient supply chain is one of the biggest cost challenges for businesses, especially those that rely on physical goods and transportation. Stock shortages, overstocking, inefficient routes, and delayed shipments all contribute to higher operational costs. AI helps businesses optimize inventory management, warehousing, and delivery logistics by predicting demand, automating supply chain operations, and improving route efficiency. AI-powered demand forecasting tools analyze historical sales data, seasonal trends, and external market factors to ensure that businesses only stock what is needed, reducing waste and excess storage costs. For example, Amazon uses AI-powered robots in its warehouses to efficiently sort, pack, and manage inventory, reducing human labor costs and improving warehouse efficiency. AI-driven route optimization tools also help delivery companies find the fastest and most fuel-efficient paths, minimizing transportation costs. Next is lowering advertising costs while increasing ROI. So businesses spend billions of dollars on marketing and advertising campaigns, often with uncertain returns on investment. AI helps optimize marketing spend by analyzing customer behavior, engagement patterns, and ad performance, ensuring that businesses target the right audience at the right time. AI-powered marketing tools like Google Ads AI, Facebook AI, and HubSpot AI automatically adjust ad bids, identify high-performing content, and personalize customer interactions, maximizing conversions while reducing ad spend. For example, AI can predict which customers are more likely to make a purchase based on browsing behavior and past interactions, allowing businesses to spend less on broad audience targeting and focus on high-value prospects. So this reduces wasted advertising expenses while improving marketing performance. Now let's see a case study on how AI helped Amazon reduce operational costs. So here the problem was high warehousing and logistics expenses. So as the world's largest e-commerce company, Amazon faces massive logistical challenges in managing warehouses, fulfilling orders, and delivering packages efficiently. So the company needed a way to reduce costs while improving delivery speed to maintain its competitive edge. So Amazon's major cost-related issues included high labor costs for manual warehouse operations, expensive last-mile delivery logistics increasing shipping costs, and overstocking and understocking problems leading to lost revenue. So traditional warehouse management methods required thousands of workers to sort and pack items, leading to inefficiencies and rising labor expenses. So here's the AI solution that they came up with, which is warehouse automation and predictive logistics. So these were the steps. First is AI-powered robotics in warehouses. So Amazon deployed Kiva robots to automate warehouse storage and item retrieval. So these robots move shelves of products directly to human workers, reducing unnecessary walking time and increasing picking efficiency by 300%. And then they introduced predictive inventory management. So Amazon's AI models analyze past purchases, market trends, and real-time shopping behavior to ensure that warehouses stock the right products, minimizing overstocking and reducing unnecessary storage costs. And then it also introduced AI-driven delivery optimization. So AI algorithms determine the fastest, most cost-effective delivery routes for drivers, reducing fuel costs and improving delivery times. So when they implemented this solution, these were the results that they came up with. First is 20% reduction in warehousing costs by replacing inefficient manual processes with AI-powered robots. Then there was 30% decrease in shipping costs by optimizing delivery routes and reducing wasted fuel. Also, it resulted in faster delivery times, improving customer satisfaction and driving repeat purchases. Also, it led to lower labor costs, allowing employees to focus on higher value tasks instead of manual sorting. So this case study highlights how AI-driven automation and predictive analysis can drastically cut costs while improving operational efficiency. Now, revenue growth is the ultimate goal for any business, whether it's a small startup or a multinational corporation. So while companies have traditionally relied on marketing strategies, customer engagement, and sales optimization to increase revenue, these methods often require significant time, effort, and manual intervention. So with the rise of AI, businesses can now unlock new revenue opportunities, improve efficiency, and enhance customer experiences in ways that were previously impossible. So rather than simply increasing marketing budgets or expanding operations, AI enables businesses to achieve higher revenues with existing resources by making smarter, data-driven decisions. So now we'll explore the various ways AI contributes to revenue growth, followed by a real-world case study of how AI-powered personalization has boosted Netflix revenue. So AI helps businesses grow revenue in multiple ways. So let's see one by one. First is personalized customer experience. So customers today expect personalized interactions when they shop, watch content, or browse services. AI-powered recommendation engines analyze customer preferences, purchase history, and browsing behavior to offer personalized product suggestions. This increases the likelihood of conversions and repeat purchases, driving revenue growth. For instance, Amazon's recommendation system accounts for nearly 35% of its total revenue by suggesting products that customers are most likely to buy. Similarly, streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI-generated recommendations to keep users engaged, reducing churn and increasing subscription renewals. So by delivering relevant and customized experience, AI helps businesses increase customer engagement, satisfaction, and ultimately it drives to revenue. Next is AI-optimized pricing. So pricing plays a crucial role in revenue generation. If prices are too high, businesses risk losing customers. And if they are too low, profit margins shrink. AI-powered dynamic pricing models solve this problem by analyzing market demand, competitor pricing, and customer behavior to adjust prices in real time. For example, airlines and hotel chains use AI-powered dynamic pricing algorithms to increase or decrease prices based on demand fluctuations. If demand is high, prices go up. If demand is low, AI suggests discounts to maximize occupancy. Retailers and e-commerce platforms also use AI for real-time price adjustments based on factors such as inventory levels, competitor pricing, and customer purchasing patterns. So this ensures businesses maximize profits while staying competitive in the market. Next is AI-powered sales forecasting, which is predicting future trends. So a major challenge for businesses is predicting future sales trends accurately. Traditional forecasting methods rely on historical data and human intuition, which can lead to errors and miscalculations. So AI eliminates this problem by using machine learning algorithms to analyze past sales, customer behavior, seasonal trends, and external factors like economic conditions to predict future revenue. So, for example, Coca-Cola uses AI-powered analytics to forecast demand for different beverage products. By analyzing factors such as weather, local events, and past sales, AI helps the company ensure the right products are stocked in the right locations at the right time, leading to increased sales and reduced waste. So, AI-driven forecasting allows businesses to plan better, optimize resources, and capitalize on high-demand opportunities, leading to significant revenue growth. And next is AI-driven lead generation and sales automation. So sales teams spends a significant amount of time identifying potential customers, qualifying leads, and following up with prospects. AI streamlines this process by automating lead generation and scoring, helping businesses focus on high potential customers. So AI-powered customer relationship management tools such as Salesforce Einstein AI and HubSpot AI analyze customer interactions, website activity, and email engagement to determine which leads are most likely to convert. So these tools automate follow-ups and provide sales teams with real-time insights on customer preferences, increasing conversion rates and closing deals faster. So by eliminating the guesswork in sales process, AI helps businesses increase efficiency. And finally, there is reducing customer churn with AI-powered retention strategy. Now, one of the biggest revenue challenges for businesses is customer churn, the loss of existing customers. So acquiring new customers is 5 times more expensive than retaining existing ones. So AI helps businesses predict customer churn by analyzing behavioral patterns, transaction history, and engagement levels, allowing them to take proactive steps to retain customers. So for example, AI-driven churn prediction models used by telecom companies and subscription services analyze customer usage patterns and identify users who are at risk of leaving. Businesses can then offer personalized discounts, exclusive deals, or targeted engagement strategies to encourage customer retention. So AI-powered retention strategies helps companies reduce churn, increase customer lifetime value, and in return boost recurring revenue. So now let's see a case study on how Netflix uses AI to maximize revenue. So basically the problem statement was keeping users engaged and reducing subscription cancellations. So as a subscription-based streaming platform, Netflix revenue depends on keeping users engaged and reducing cancellations. With thousands of titles available, users often struggle to find something to watch, leading to frustration and potential churn. So Netflix needed an AI solution to increase user engagement, improve content recommendations, and maximize subscription renewals. So this is the solution that they came up with, personalized content recommendations. So Netflix implemented an AI-powered recommendation engine that analyzes user behavior, watch history, etc. So the first one is user behavior, where AI monitors every action a user takes, including what they watch, how long they watch, when they pause, and what they skip. Next is personalized AI recommendations. So based on this data, Netflix AI predicts what content the user is most likely to enjoy and surfaces recommendations accordingly. Then comes dynamic thumbnails. So AI tests different thumbnail images for the same show, selecting the one that a specific user is most likely to click on, increasing engagement. And also AI-powered content creation. Netflix also uses AI to analyze trending genres and audience demand, helping them invest in original content that is most likely to succeed. And once they adopted the solution, these were the results that they obtained. First, they saw 80% of the content watched on Netflix comes from AI-powered recommendations, proving its effectiveness. Then there was higher engagement rates leading to increased subscription, reducing churn. Then there was data-driven content production, which allowed Netflix to create shows that maximized viewership and revenue, and also personalized user experiences drive long-term customer loyalty and higher subscription renewals. So by leveraging all this, Netflix was able to boost its revenue and reduce its churn. So that was it, guys. Congratulations on completing this course on AI for Business from Simplilearn. You have taken a significant step in understanding how AI is revolutionizing industries, optimizing processes, cutting costs, and driving revenue growth. We have explored core AI technologies, real-world applications, and the challenges of implementation, along with actionable strategies to get started. So keep learning, keep innovating, and make AI work for your success.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.